Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most attractive and beautiful designing ideas of crochet flowers. You will see very easy and beginner friendly crochet flower ideas in this video. These flower appliques can be used in different crochet projects, and these are all very easy and beginner friendly. Simple 2D flowers are included in this video, and all of these designs are just 2 row or 3 row repeat patterns design, sorry, 3 round pattern designs. And these designs are all very easy to make. Most of these flowers designs are made with contrasting colors, and these are just made with simple crochet beginner friendly stitches like single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch is used in most of the designs. In a few of the designing ideas, half double crochet stitch is also used, and treble crochet stitch is also used in a few of the designing ideas. And most of the flowers designs are containing 3 rounds. A few of the designs are having just 1 round as well, which are just simple flower like 5 petal flower or 6 petal flower made on magic ring mostly. So I hope you're gonna love them all, and you can take ideas about the color schemes as well. Different contrasting color schemes are used in them, so you can take ideas about the color schemes to make flowers for different crochet projects. Like you can use these simple and easy flowers in different jewelry items. You can use them in different baby products, like you can use them on baby headbands, baby shoes, baby dresses, etc. And these can be used to make different floral blankets for babies, and you can use them to make crochet ladies scarves as well. So these flowers can be used in numerous projects of crochet work, and I hope you're gonna love them all. So just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designs, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. After pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So also share this video with other handmade products lover in your circle, so that they can also get benefit from these type of videos. If you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, just let me know in the comments, because other than these kinds of ideas videos of different crochet projects, I also upload crochet tutorial videos of different beginner friendly patterns and other different crochet products. So stay connected. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.